So if you're looking for a more advanced option to insert documents to your landing page, there's another option. You can go to Edit Page. So go into Edit Your Page. If you scroll down, you'll see these below this page content area, which is what I've demonstrated in the basic, easier option. If you scroll down, you'll see these web part zones. Web parts are very tricky to work with. They're an advanced option because there's a lot of settings you have to set in order for them to work properly. So I'm going to insert a documents view of the documents library here. So I'll demonstrate that. I'm going to go to Add a Document, and I'm going to go to List in Libraries and select Documents. Click Add. So now you can see the view here of those documents, but there's some settings you have to set in this Edit Web Part area to make it function properly. So we're going to go to Edit Web Part. First you want to hit No Toolbar, because you do not want that Add Document toolbar to display. Next, you're going to go to your advanced setting here, and you have to uncheck all of these options. Appearance. Here you can just leave it as default, that's fine, but before you do anything else, you need to hit Apply to apply the changes you've made. So now you go to Edit the Current View, and you're going to uncheck Modified and Modified By. You're going to uncheck this option, and instead you're going to check Name Linked to Document. So the two you want showing are Type and Name Linked to Document. I'm going to make this number 2, and this is number 1. Then you're going to scroll down to where you see Tabular View, and you're going to uncheck that. Then you're going to click OK. Now you actually see the documents as they should be displayed. But you still have to publish the page to make those changes that you just made viewable to the public. I'm going to go in here one more time. I'm going to delete this content so that you can see what the page would look like without this area filled in here. So there's the documents. So the other option is to add a web part for the links, the useful links, the helpful links. So what we demonstrated in the basic was how to add your links right here or in this page content area. There's a more advanced way to do it. If you go to View All Site Content, go to your helpful links list that we created for you, and you're going to add a link. So I'm going to add, you could paste in a link here. I'm going to type in one that I know off the top of my head. And you have to type in the description because you want the description is what's going to be hyperlinked. So I need to call this my Google site. And I'm going to click Save. As you can see, it got added right here. So now if I go back to my home page here, I'm going to go into Edit Mode. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to make it be on the right column next to this Documents view that I've placed. So same thing, you need to go into Edit the Web Part to make it look the right way. So first thing you do, No Toolbar, Advanced, uncheck all of these options, click Apply. Next, you go into Edit the Current View. Here you're going to undo. You only need you don't need an edit button. You don't need a type because these are all links and they're just going to show up with a white icon that means nothing to users. So all you want to link to, all you want to do is have the URL. That's all you want showing. So then, scroll down, Tabular View, uncheck that, click OK, and there you go. But again, you have to publish the page so that that shows up for your users. So now someone can go to your Google site, your Blackboard site, and can open your documents successfully.